All right, Rankin family, I have an absolute special treat for you folks today. We are looking at this beautiful custom new construction property right here in Oak Forest. This one, if you notice the exterior, you're gonna have cypress wood. It's absolutely fantastic. Even going into the covered front porch, look at this oversized, massive door. Now this one is a stunner. You're not gonna believe this property. So what we'll do is we'll start right here so that way you can see the beautiful grand foyer. Absolutely fantastic. So you have the beautiful elegant chandelier going into the grand staircase right here. And even looking at this beautiful formal dining room right here, plenty of natural light coming in. You have that nice Sputnik chandelier right here, recessed lighting throughout the property. Look how beautiful this is right here. Now this one's fantastic. You have the wood flooring that continues in. And what we'll go ahead and do is before we go to the kitchen, I just want you to see how it would look as soon as guests are walking in. Now this one is a stunner. This will be your beautiful living room. If you notice, you have that beautiful candle-like chandelier right there, 12-foot ceilings, recessed lighting continues in here as well. You have that sliding, elegant door going into the backyard, the covered backyard patio, great for entertaining guests, great for entertaining the family, and even looking at the beautiful kitchen. Look how amazing this looks right here. So you have the 4 glass blowout lighting fixtures right here. And then you have the beautiful waterfall countertops, the oversized island, the beautiful pot filler. Look how elegant the wooden range hood is going into the 6-burner stove. Plenty of space to go ahead and cook a nice, delicious meal. And I'll pan through here one more time so that way you can see how beautiful this is. I wish you were here. This one's fantastic. You have the built-in microwave right there. And then even just looking at this refrigerator, look how elegant this is right here. Amazing. Oh, this one's fantastic. Now, this one is a custom build, folks. They have some of the most elegant upgrades in this one going into this pantry right here. Now, this pantry doesn't have doors. That's how elegant this one is. You have plenty of space. Of course, you have that sink section off right here. That way you have that nice clean look. A lot of times with that kitchen, you don't want to make too much of a mess and you want to keep it presentable, right? So this will be your little wine room area. Have some nice wine. I mean, especially you close on a house like this, you definitely want to have some wine. So we'll go back through the grand foyer and we'll take a left so that way you can see this beautiful study. But before we do that, this is going to be your nice, elegant powder bath. If you notice, you have the floating countertops right there. Nice lighting fixture, beautiful wallpaper on the back right there. It's a nice wallpaper. And if you notice, the wood floors continues in here as well. And this essentially will be a mud room right here. You can add the hooks and the cabinetry right there, but I think it adds a nice little elegant look without the hooks right there. And then this will be your 2-car garage right here. And then you can also go off and access the side of the yard to that area. So this will be your study right here. Nice, elegant study sectioned off right here to the left of the house. You got plenty of space in here. You got that nice high ceilings, the 12-foot ceilings continues in here as well. And then what we'll do is, you will not believe right here. You probably didn't see that, but look at this secret closet right here. This will be perfect. Just kind of section off. That way it gives that nice sleek look. You still got the 12-foot ceilings in here, and it goes into another bathroom right here. So sometimes if you're working hard, you have that bathroom right here. Nice, sleek walk-in shower as well with the nice shower niche right there. You got your sink right here, and you can access the backyard right here. So the good thing is your guests and anything that comes through here, they can just go ahead and, be entertained in the backyard and go to the restroom and go right back out, no problem. Okay, and then right here will be a nice little closet right here as well. All right, folks, so that's the first floor. Let's go take a look at the second floor. So beautiful, you have your dark wood railings right here. And then the wood flooring continues up here as well. Let's start right here to the right. This will be your little study nook, your work nook right here, built-in desk. That way it'll be perfect for the kids if the kids want to do some studying and things like that. And then we'll head to the primary bedroom. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at the amount of space that you have in here. So you have your lighting up there, you got your ceiling fans, got that A-frame up there, almost like a cathedral-like ceiling. Plenty of space in here. Yeah, plenty of space to put a king-size bed, the 2 night tables, you got chairs and all that good stuff. And look at the primary ensuite. You got your nice soaking tub right here. You have the beautiful standing shower, plenty of space in here. 2 waterfall shower heads with the shower bench and the shower niche. So the good thing is, if you notice, the stone will cover your private area. So you'll be good to go. You don't have to worry about somebody walking in. And then you have your his and her sink right here with the nice chandelier on top with the glass blowout lighting fixtures again. And then off to the right will be your toilet. But look at the oversized closet. Look how much space you have in here. For some of the folks that were inquiring about the limited space in some of the homes that we showcase on here, this is the home for you. Look how much storage space you have in here. Plenty of space for any size wardrobe, a growing wardrobe. Most of us, we have 80% clothes that we don't even wear. So this will comfortably store all those clothes without any issues whatsoever. Okay. And of course, if you're a returning viewer, welcome back. It's fantastic to have you again. And if this is your first time to the channel, my name is Marcus Rankin. I'm a Texas realtor. I get calls, texts, and emails every single day from folks looking to make a move out here. So, of course, if you're in that bucket now or in the future, don't hesitate to reach out and consider hitting that subscribe button and becoming part of the Rankin family. All right, so you have your laundry room right here. Plenty of space. You got your sink in here as well. Plus you have your floating shelf right there. You got tile flooring in there. And then this will be a nice little closet again. Put your linens and your comforters in there and things like that. This will be a nice sized bedroom. You got the elegant ceiling fans up there again with the recessed lighting again in here. Got plenty of space. This one has its own bathroom. So folks, this one is 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and almost 5,000 square feet. Humongous. And this one is zoned to great schools. It's in Oak Forest. You're really close to major highways like 610, minutes away from it. And so this would be perfect for folks that work in the inner city or someone that just needs easy access to get to and from major places in Houston. Sometimes a lot of folks don't want to live in the suburbs and the outskirts. So this would be perfect for those folks. You got your closet right there. And this will be in the bathroom. Now this one does have the shower tub combo with the tile backsplash in there. And this one's interconnected as well to a bedroom. Okay, so this is that bedroom that we had just come out of. And then what we'll do is take a look over here. You see what we're working with. Now this could be utilized as a game room. It's not technically a bedroom just because it doesn't come with a closet, but you could utilize it if you wanted to as a bedroom. Or most folks would probably put a game room in here or kid area or what have you, just depending on what you want. And this is the other bedroom. So if you notice, pay attention to a lot of the natural light that comes in here. You have plenty of natural light that comes in here. A lot of the, all the bedrooms have their own bathroom essentially attached to it for the most part. The other one that's a Jack and Jill, or, you know, it connects to it. So you could say that it still comes with the bathroom. But if you notice, you remember you have that bathroom on the bottom where the study was. Nice size, deep tub, shower tub combo. They put the shower niche in here just to put your bottles of soap and things like that. And then even looking off this ledge, you can see all down there. This one's gorgeous right here. So what we'll do now is take a look finally at the backyard, so that way you can see what we're looking like. And of course, let me know in the comments what you folks think about this one. I want to make sure I showcase some of the best property tours for you, so that way you know what's going on and what's available. And I have a lot of property tours on here, so if you want to take a look, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to find what you're looking for. This will be your backyard right here. So you got your nice covered backyard patio with the built-in grill with the sink right there. Got plenty of space to entertain folks, and you got almost 8,000 square feet as far as the lot size concerned, so it's relatively decent. You got brand new fencing in there as well. And if you notice, that cypress wood continues over here as well. And that, folks, is a custom build. All right, Rankin family, let me know in the comments what you folks thought about this property tour. I hope you loved it just as much as I did. And of course, if you do want more information, have all the information you need in the description below. And I'll see you folks on the next property tour.